Hello and welcome. In this video, I would like to introduce some big tech alternative solutions to browsers, search engines, and AI tools. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive right in. And we can see here on this PC, I am working with Windows 11. And of course, in the Windows or Microsoft realm, we use or we're given Microsoft Edge as the primary browser. And typically as an alternative browser, most of us will install Google Chrome. And of course, in Microsoft Edge, we would have Microsoft Bing as the search engine and Microsoft Copilot as the primary AI tool. In Google Chrome, we would have Google Search as the primary search engine and Google Gemini as the primary AI tool. Now, if you would like some alternatives or some privacy-focused alternatives, if you will, we can utilize Brave browser and or Mozilla Firefox as some alternative browsers. So we're going to go ahead and kick that open here. And in the Brave browser, we can also use Brave Search. And we see here, private search engine. And as an alternative AI tool, we can use Lumo.Proton.me, which is an AI tool built by Proton or Proton Mail. However, they have more than just email now. They have VPN, password vaults, AI tools, and more. And I will show the other option here, which is going to be Mozilla Firefox. And typically in Mozilla Firefox, we could use DuckDuckGo. So DuckDuckGo as the alternative search engine. And we can also use Duck.ai, which is the AI tool by DuckDuckGo, as an alternative AI tool, if you will. And the reason for that would be is DuckDuckGo Search, an open source tool or privacy focused tool. Let's try spelling that correctly. All right, so DuckDuckGo is primarily known as a privacy-focused search engine. It emphasizes user privacy by not tracking search history or personal information. All right, let's follow that up with another question. Is Google search engine a privacy-focused tool? Google Search is not considered a privacy-focused tool. While it offers various privacy settings and features, such as the ability to manage your data and control ad personalization, Google collects a significant amount of user data to improve its services and target advertisements. So as we can see here, that's a big key difference as to why I like to use DuckDuckGo as opposed to Google Search. And as well, we can do is Microsoft, that's going to make me capitalize it here, Bing, a privacy-focused tool. Microsoft Bing is not primarily marketed as a privacy-focused tool, but it does offer some privacy features as well. However, data collection, user data, Bing collects user data to improve search results and personalize ads. And as well, privacy settings, users can manage their privacy settings, including options to limit data collection and control ad personalization. However, that's their primary target. So we're gonna go ahead and drop over to Brave. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, is Brave Search engine, an open source or privacy focused tool. So we can see here, Brave Search is primarily marketed as a privacy-focused search engine. It's built by the team behind the Brave browser and follows the same philosophy of not tracking users, not building personal profiles, and keeping queries out of the advertiser's hands. So again, the biggest key difference is privacy. Yes, Brave Search aims to deliver results without storing personal data or serving ads based on your browsing history. Open source? No. The search engine backend is closed source, although the surrounding UI on the front end components inherit the open source nature of the Brave browser. All right, so we're also going to follow up with is Lumo.proton.me, the AI tool by Proton, a privacy-focused tool. And yes, Lumo is built with privacy as a core principle. Here's how Proton ensures that. Zero access encryption. Your conversations are encrypted end-to-end, and Proton servers cannot read them. Only you can decrypt them and view the content. No data logging and training, which means they're not going to scrape all my data in this conversation to continuously train their AI models or LLMs. As well, we can use ghost mode if you want to basically disable any kind of persistence of the conversation, which basically leaves no trace on Proton's infrastructure. And then Proton controlled infrastructure, all language models run exclusively on servers owned and operated by Proton, avoiding any third-party cloud providers or third-party advertisers, if you will. So they are a privacy-first design. The service aligns with Proton's broader mission to provide or of providing encrypted privacy-centric products. So like I said, they offer mail, VPNs, they even offer a drive, this AI tool, and more. So another follow-up question here is, we can do is Duck.ai, the AI tool through DuckDuckGo, a privacy-focused tool. Duck.ai, the AI chat feature integrated into DuckDuckGo, is positioned as a privacy-focused service. DuckDuckGo's core business revolves around not tracking users, not profiling searches, and blocking trackers. And the AI tool is built to follow the same philosophy. Therefore, no personal profiling, limited data retention. DuckDuckGo states that it retains only the minimal amount of information needed to generate a response, and it isn't used for targeting advertisement. So huge key difference between, of course, utilizing either Microsoft and or Google. Using some of these alternative solutions, we do get a more privacy-focused approach, which is more security for ourselves, the end user. And that's what I wanted to share with you, just a few alternatives. So we have the Brave browser, followed by, let me click that back open. Brave browser, followed by Brave search, as well as Lumo.proton.me, which is the AI tool. And then in Mozilla, we can use DuckDuckGo as the search engine and Duck.ai as the alternative AI tool. And that's going to be it for this one. I really hope that helps, and that's it.